Dear friends, I came up with a different type of problem today. This is a math problem. I see that all over the world people have math phobia. They don't, math is tough. We can go there. But math could be done without paper and pencil. It's as simple as that. Well, let's look at this problem. This is a simple problem though. John could paint a house in 3 days, but Larry could paint the same house in 6 days. If both of them work together, how many days will they take to paint the house? John and Larry. Let's look at two people. John could do it in 3 days, painting a house, and Larry could do it in 6 days. They want to work together. Okay, let's go painting the house. We're going to work together and we do it in how many days? That's the question. For my Bengali viewers, let me speak in Bengali for a second. আপনাদের নিশ্চয়ই মনে আছে সেই প্রশ্নটি ছোটবেলায় করেছেন বা আপনাদের ছেলে মেয়ে নাতিপুতিদেরও করতে হয়েছে। কয়েকটি কাজ এতদিনে করিতে পারে, খ সেই একই কাজ এতদিনে করিতে পারে, উহারা উভয়ে কাজটি করিতে থাকিলে কতদিনে শেষ হইবে, এই ধরনের একটা কোশ্চেন ছিল। যে ধরে নেন ক হলো জন 6 দিনে করতে পারে, আর খ হলো ল্যারি, ও 3 দিনে করতে পারে। তাহলে ওরা দুজন একসাথে করলে কতদিন লাগবে? So friends, think about that way. John could do it 3 days, in 3 days. So if he gets help from someone, it's not going to take 3 days. It's going to be less than 3 days. First of all, you have to understand that. If I could do something in 3 days and somebody is helping me, it's not going to take 3 days. So the answer should be less than 3. It could be 1 day, 2 day. It could be 1.5 day. It could be 2.5 day. It cannot be 3 days. It has to be less than 3 days. It cannot be more than 3 days too. You see how simple is that? So it has to be less than 3 days. If we understand that, then let's work. Well, John could do it in 3 days, so how much work he does in 1 day? Think about it. 3 days, 1 day, 2 days, 3 days. So he is doing 1/3 of the work 1 day. Larry, on the other hand, he is doing it in 6 days. So how much work he is doing in 1 day? 1/6 of the work. So divide the work into 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. He does 1/6 of the work. So 1/6 of the work, and John is doing 1/3 of the work, right? So what they are doing here, they are working together. 1/3 and 1/6. You don't have to add them. Just think about it. 1/3 and 1/6. Let's, for the sake of understanding, assume that Larry is helping John for 2 days. Let's see how much work is done in 2 days. We cannot have 3 days. It's less than 3. So let's assume 2 days. So Larry, how much Larry does 2 days? 1 day he does 1/6. Second day he does 1/6. So that's 1/3. But John does 1/3 in 1 day. So if John works 2 days, that's 1/3 and 1/3. That's 2/3. So 3/3 is the whole work. So Larry does it in 2 days. Larry does 1/3 of the work, right? And John On the other hand, 1/3 plus 1/3 is 2/3. So if you add them up, 2/3 plus 1/3 is 3/3, the whole work. So it takes only 2 days. You see, I don't need any paper and pencil. You could do all types of, break it down into, make a rectangle. Let's say that house has whatever the rooms, it has a square feet, whatever the square feet, make a rectangle and break it into 3, make another rectangle, break it into 6. But remember, 2 of the 6 pieces is 1 of the third 3 pieces, right? So if Larry is working 2 days, he's doing 1/3. 1/6 plus 1/6 is 1/3. And John is doing 1/3 plus 1/3 is 2/3. So 2/3 plus 1/3 is the whole work. I hope you understand it. Let me know how do you like it. Write in the comment. Subscribe my channel. I'm a poet, but I'm a mathematician too. I know there is no difference between poetry and math. I'll tell you the story that I could not do my PhD because of that thought. Okay, alright, that's another story. Alright, subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.